mai, kia ora. My name is Ashlynn.
And more ātara Winton School, I'm Alyssa. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for our the 8th of December.
Okay, let's get into Te Kupu o Te Wiki. This week's word is potae, which is te reo for hat.
As in, wear your potae whero at interval and lunchtimes. Kia ora.
Speaking of health and safety, high-vis vests. Keep wearing them to and from school. Ka pai.
Scooter and bike news. Keep that shed tidy by parking your scooters and bikes nicely.
And share the shed, Winton School.
Touch news. No practices today, Koto.
And congratulations to the Winton Tigers who have won every game this term. Ka pai.
And that's all for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite a pōpō.
Haere and stay sharp, Winton School.